everyone, my name is Cassandra Felton, and today I will present a speech on fact, value, and policy. Imagine eating a delicious piece of food and then slowly bleeding from the inside out until you die. Rodenticides, also known as rat poison, need to be banned in the United States. I'm a certified vet tech with experience working with animals that have ingested rat poison. Rodenticides cause a negative impact on the environment and our health. First, I will discuss how rat poisons have a negative impact on the environment. Second, I will explain how rat poisons are dangerous for our health. And third, I will discuss why we need to promote the ban of rodenticides in the United States. Rat poison has a negative impact on the environment in many ways. There is a big concern for secondary exposure from rodenticides in the United States. According to the Audubon magazine, last access on October 19, 2021, for rodents to get a lethal dose from a first-generation rodenticide, it has to eat it more than once. This slow process causes a higher potential for secondary contamination in predators, scavengers, and pets. Many animals are eating prey that are contaminated with rodenticide. Unfortunately, animals cannot identify if their meals are poisoned or not. In the United States, the national bald eagle species have declined due to rodenticides. According to the Smithsonian magazine, last accessed on October 21, 2021, a new study found rat poison in the bodies of more than 80% of 133 dead bald and golden eagles from across the United States. Eagles, bobcats, fisher, fox, hawks, raccoons, and many other animals are in danger of becoming extinct. Many food chains are being destroyed, and this is a destructive process that is destroying our ecosystem. We need to take steps to protect our ecosystem and the wildlife. Insects in the United States are being infected by rodenticides. According to the Center for Biological Diversity website, last accessed on October 22, 2021, because of rodenticides, monarch butterflies have plummeted by 90% in the past 20 years. It is very common for insects such as butterflies, ants, slugs, cockroaches, and other insects to eat the rat bait. Insects are allowed easy access into the rat traps and often follow in groups. Some insects will bring the bait back to their colonies and further spread the poison. Urban areas throughout the United States cause the greatest risk for exposure to the environment. Exterminators, farmers, businesses, and homeowners use the rat poison for rat control all around the United States. Illegal marijuana farms have been discovered with large amount of rodenticides. According to the PLOS magazine, last accessed on October 20th, 2021, anticoagulant rodenticide bait pellets with pet fertilizer were dispersed around 2,000 plants from a Northern California marijuana grow site. Rodenticides have been known to leak into soil and spread to nearby areas. Now that we have discussed the environment problems that have incorporated from rodenticide, I will now explain how the public's health is also negatively impacted. The use of rodenticides throughout the United States causes serious health problems for the public all around the United States and the world. The easy access to the rat poison traps cause potential danger to children. Rat traps contain smells that attract children to the bait. The content in the traps are misleading and children end up eating them. According to the scientific magazine, American magazine, last accessed on October 21st, 2021, every year more than 10,000 kids are getting a hold of them, and virtually all of the calls to the U.S. Poison Control Center concern children under the age of 6 years old. Rodenticides can contaminate food and soil, causing potential harm to human consumption and agriculture items. There can be cross-contamination with rodenticides in food supply chains, manufacturers, and distributors. People can consume contaminated foods and show similar signs of food poisoning. Hunters are also at risk of consuming and distributing animals that have ingested rat poison. Now that we have discussed public health problems that are caused by rat poison, I will now discuss why we need to promote the ban of rodenticides in the United States. There have been many environmental health groups that have been working very hard to ban the use and access of rodenticides in the United States. If rodenticides are not banned in the United States, then the environment and the public's health will continue to decline over time and negatively impact the wildlife. More animals and insect populations will decline and become extinct. The access and use of rodenticides in the United States will cause more pollution to the environment. Children will be at risk of primary exposure to easy access rat traps, and over time, food chains will break and cause changes within the ecosystem. So today, first, I discussed how rat poisons have negatively impacted the environment. Second, I discussed how rat poisons are dangerous for our health. And third, I discussed why we need to promote the ban of rodenticides in the United States. Rodenticides cause a negative impact on the environment and our health. We need to ban rodenticides throughout the United States. Thank you.